be teaching you how to make chicken mayo sandwich. So we'll start off by showing you how to make the chicken portion of the sandwich, and then I'll show you how to make the spread. So for the chicken portion of the sandwich, you would need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic, 250 grams, which is about 0.55 pounds of chicken, boneless, cut into cubes. Next, you will need salt to your liking, black pepper to your liking, and if you would like to spice up your chicken, you can have 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. So now I will tell you what you need for the spread mix. So all you need for the spread mix is 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So in my sandwich, which requires 2 bread pieces, I will be adding cucumber, chopped lettuce, and thinly sliced bell peppers. Turn your pan on to medium to low heat, then add the olive oil. Now that the pan is heated up, we will add the garlic paste, and you will mix for about 30 seconds. When the garlic is done, add in your chicken. Cook the chicken for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding in all the spices. Now we will begin to add our spices. So the salt, the black pepper, and the red chili flakes. You will cook the chicken on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes or until it's golden and done. Now while the chicken is cooking, I will show you how to make the spread. So for the spread, you will use your mayonnaise. Add your mayonnaise into the large bowl. And your black pepper. Now the chicken is complete. Set it aside in a bowl to let cool before proceeding to the next step. Now for the next portion, using a chopper, you'll be grinding the chicken. Now if you do not have a chopper, you can always use a fork or cut up in small pieces using a knife or a scissor. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind the chicken. Now in the spread mix that we made earlier, we will add our chicken into the mixture. Mix thoroughly, making sure all the mayo gets on the chicken. At this point, if you feel like you still need more mayonnaise, you can add more mayonnaise if you would like, if it doesn't mix all the way through on all of the chicken. And if you want to add more black pepper, you can add more black pepper as well. So after you're done spreading it onto the sandwich, if you still have some spread left over, you can cover it and leave it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. So now we will assemble our sandwich. So on the one side you add a lot of mayonnaise spread, and on the other side you will add a little bit so that when you put it on top it will stick together. If you want, you can serve your sandwich like this, or I'm going to add some of our toppings that I discussed about earlier. Now I'll be cutting my sandwich into a triangle shape, but you can cut it into a rectangle, leave it as is, or cut into tiny squares if you are serving as finger food for a party.